Hey guys, welcome to WatchIreshStruggle. This channel is a deep dive into my mind where I'm basically uploading podcasts with a lot of people that I meet over, my small life. And also I'll be adding a lot of dev vlogs, basically dev vlog things that I'll be building over the years and more, uploading them here. Plus a lot of little things that I learned. So let's say I learned something new about RTC. So I'll probably shoot a video and tell you guys about it. Today is one of those dev vlogs. So as you can see, I have been working on this small SaaS product that I love to call Reach. And well, we'll talk more about it in some other video where I actually tell you guys about what this is and what am I trying to achieve. But today, the focus is to make this small input field working. So what I want to do is build a small, Python API and have people email ID stored. So let's say I go here and I write irish.sharma@gmail.com. Okay, and it's just get started. As of right now, nothing happens. But what I actually want to do is, just a second. What I actually want to do is have data being stored up here. So I have a Postgres database running on Railway, which is my primary DB. At least for dev setup, production, I probably not go with Railway because I am scared of the pricing. If this small thing ever becomes a huge thing or like even a mediocre thing, the pricing might shoot up by a lot. At least that's what I think of right now, but you never know, it might change. So as you can see, there's a lot of things here. So I have a Postgres database, a Redis database, and a bunch of services here. We'll talk about these more when we get into dev blogs about Reach itself. But as of right now, I just want to make this button working. So let's start with that. Let's close this, let's close this. Just for the sake of it, this is not all that I have on my database. I've just been testing around the different services, and these are the tables that I've created till now. But database looks more like this. There's a bunch of stuff in here. So yeah. Okay. So let's start with the Python API. First of all, why Python? Because well, I've been working with Python for a very long time, and I'm very comfortable with it. So I just write a small Flask API, and for a thing like this, it is actually very easy. Like creating. I don't know what to say. Like Flask is very minimal and it's very quick to set up, and let's want to go with it. Let's start with um, cool. So see, this is why I love JetBrains products. It just created everything for me: a template, a static, a proper VNV, and an app.py, and gave me a basic setup. Um, the fact is, I won't be using templates in static, but let's see. Okay, shit. Let's create a README. Actually, let's call it what do we call it? Start reach. Reach. VT service. It's not TCA. Reach reading service. Yeah, just like that. And let's go with do. Actually, I'm going to second. Right. So slash studio slash. And I think I want to inside your I actually find this. So studio like this and this like that. And then I contact it. What the fuck is on here? Yeah. Let's see. This and yeah. Actually, I'm going to second. Right. So slash studio slash. And I think I want to inside your I actually find this. So studio like this and this like that. And then I contact it. What the fuck is on here? Yeah. Let's see. This and yeah. Yeah. So email address filled by user. Okay. Next step that I want is send mail to the address. Uh, yeah, actually, before I do this, I should show you guys. Sure, update. Why not? Right in the middle of shooting a video. Very good. Okay, let's. Mm, yeah. Oh, also, by the way, if anyone's curious, there's this command line tool called PAT. I use that instead of CAT because, it's got syntax highlighting, it's got this number line thing, and it just looks better. It was a small file, but if I try to ls, let's say, sure. Since it's a big file, it opens up in a Vim format. So it's scrollable, it's token rated, and I can press Q to exit. That's a good thing. But yeah, again, I forgot. Yep. Dev. Okay. Let's hope it runs, shall we? Yeah, I'll be doing this random shitty, sounds. But yeah, one sec. Um, is it not gonna run? That what's gonna do with me? Oh, fuck no. Come on. Okay, I'm already demonetized, even though I'm not making any money because I'm a ninja. And YouTube wants me to, get 6,000 subscribers so I can start making any money, which is sad. But yeah, let's just wait for this to run. Oh, it is running. Server is running on 3,000. I don't like that port number, but okay. Hmm. Yeah, so I've already made this small email template. Just in case you're wondering what I'm using here, there's this amazing company called Resend, and they basically created an email sending, service for developers. So it's similar to SNS, but it's just got its own features, and the pricing is actually good. It's not that bad for a third-party service. I'm pretty sure they're using SNS, SNS or SES. I think it's SES. Uh, but well, they're good, and they have this on their homepage, so I love it. But the main reason I'm using this is because they have developed something really cool called React Email, and yeah. So any of you guys, if you have ever worked with, writing email templates, it's a pain because I don't know in which world Gmail or Outlook is living, but these goddamn companies or products still don't support basic CSS like, Flex or things like, even like divs and all are not properly supported. The whole, you know, uh, the whole layout is supposed to be made using Yeah, the whole layout is supposed to be made using TDs, so tables. So what they have done, so if you know about React properly, you would know that React is actually just a way of writing stuff. You can compile React down to anything. So if you ever create a React project, you'll see there's this another dependency that you download called React DOM. So that's the implementation that runs React or converts the React JSX into stuff that can be interpreted by the browser. So DOM, further document object model. Similarly, Epic, one of the games today, I think Blizzard used React in Unity to make UI components, which is great and good news for React. And I think even Epic has what Unreal, even Unreal Engine, I think supports it experimentally. But yeah, so React has been used a lot of places. Obviously, you all know about React Native. So similarly, they have been React components which compile down to what do we call email stuff, things that's supported by email. If I go in here and you look at the source, you look at doc, it ends up looking like this. So this is what the React part looks like. So I have an HTML, I have a head and stuff like that. But then this container, everything, this gets compiled down to tables. So if you look at the compiled HTML, you'll see a bunch of tables and TDs and TRs everywhere doing my things for me. So that's why that creates this perfect email template that I can use, which has already been compiled down to this HTML. So I can use this HTML. I can create an HTML mail. So, like create a my message and add appropriate stuff to it. They even create plain text. So I can also add the plain text here. And I can use this to, use this to basically send mails. So this is what the mail will look like after you press, oh, I closed it. That's bad. After you click on get started. Yeah, just to be very honest, this is why I have made this funnel. I made this using edit from Astro. So several Astro templates. This is the free template I use. I think it's one Astro. No, this is cool also. But yeah, this is like, you can do this. I changed the font, I changed things like this is the thing, which only was amazing, but this wasn't that, so I had this. And yeah, I changed a bunch of stuff for it to work for me, for it to work for language reach. It's not perfect, obviously, not really good, change this. But then again, I'm not something I don't know how to make things, save things out, by the way. So I have every page open up, so yeah, I probably want to have this feature, probably want to so if you want, you keep it up, and then this option to work on it, I like it. But yeah, so yeah, so let's move forward. And this is the email that I want to send. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the HTML and save it in static, I guess. Templates. Let's just call it email send. Actually, no, I should make a folder called mails and have email list.html. And this will have the HTML. And similarly in static, I'll go ahead and also create text, and that will end up having the plain text for email list. Sorry, txt. Yeah, let's copy the plain text as well. Good to go. Perfect. And yeah, so I actually need to add another step here, which will be, what will it be? Which will basically say compile HTML template using Jinja. So that's what we're gonna do, because the reason for this is because the email template, somewhere here, it would, uh, shit, I wish I had that open. I can still open it. 3000, yeah. Yeah, so you can see things like recipient name, and I think that's the only custom part in this. Yeah, yeah. So I need this not to be recipient mail. So like if you send a mail, let's say the email ID you put in is gmail.com. So instead of collecting your name, what I'd like to do is, oh, my template shows up. Damn. I think I sent it before. Just damn, so I use too many pictures. These markers are the same, so I need to fix that. But overall, it looks good. I think. I love this. I copied this from my website. Amazing design, should follow. Yeah. Okay, uh, so like I was saying, if you put in this as email ID, my plan is to strip off this and just put this as recipient name. So I'll be, if you say Sharma, the mail would say Dear Sharma. Not the perfect solution, but I really don't want to collect more information from user because that just is a barrier of entry. So let's say if there's a website there's a product that's launching and I really want to be updated with it, I'd be fine putting in my email, but I wouldn't, spare those few seconds to add my name as well and my number as well. Because at that point, I'll just be fine clicking on a login by Google button. That's better. And that Google will give me a lot of your information anyways. So yeah, going back to Python. Cool. I think to do this much to do is fine, but then there should be more stuff here. Um, create others connection, design a model. I mean, that model would be very basic. I'm gonna add that model here. And autocomplete is not always the best thing. God knows what uh, that maybe. Cool, this works. So yeah, the model in JSON format, and all I'm looking for is basically something called email, and that would be a string. That would be of type string and probably created at, which would again be a string. I hate autocomplete as of right now, but sure. Yeah, that this is all the information that I'd want. But the thing about this is this string will auto only if I could type created by the ORM. That's what I'm hoping for because the ORM I'm going to use is called PV. I've used PV in one of the services that I wrote for Reach, and it actually ended up creating these tables. I can cross check that. I think it does. So can man label? Oh, actually it doesn't. Okay, so cool. Yeah, these meta and all. This is from Go. So some of the services are written in Go. Other services are written in Python. So that's why different. I'm using different ORMs, so it has different table types. Not the best thing to do, but especially in the same like a same database, your schema should be similar. But I'm fine with it. This is just the first iteration, and things like that really doesn't matter as of right now. So let's see. Um, yeah, I don't need this. Cool. I think this is all I need as of right now. So let's start working with it. So let's go to app guy. And yeah, you know what? Let's just try and run this as my source. Okay. Yeah, okay, let's do a sorry. And just to be I'll probably already installed this last by first I'm pretty sure which one I did project with actually. But let's check and I do it please. And yeah, I already actually did the first. Cool. So let's just start with module database and that I'll create. I can package, call it database. I just building it itself, it's not really a huge project, it's a simple thing and it's basically simple, let's just keep it simple. You know, case only concerning goes to realize. Okay, so it's created destination. I open a box of PV, I have worked a little bit, but I don't really remember the framework. I didn't have example, I didn't have example, I'll be following that and they probably have it, yeah, example that. Yeah, let's see. Okay, they created this model and they create this. I don't want a relationship, message is fine, and they create a function. Okay, so come on. Ah, yes. Okay, let's create a main, let's call it edit. And we'll do a create database. Just keep it none for now. And to database equal, I don't think these post extensions like database, but I can use the post extensions, let's go post extensions and very, we'll do that. Um, yeah, okay, cool, let's import, call it, and let's, okay, so first you go to statue your, actually I don't need anymore. Okay, 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 looking forward, let's move the box screen, so I don't expose any variables, look at .env, and yeah, most things variables, cool, actually I just copy the env, um, I am not really good with this, but what I'm going to do now, um, you know what, I will just do, no, not this, and quickly paste my env. Let's do that. I'm very sorry for the use black screen. Next video, I promise I'll figure out how to do those crazy transition animations. This is the first time using OBS. So bad. I'm sorry, guys. Share screen. Actually, I'm dumb. My ND is just open stuff. Why did I? Never mind. I don't care. Because I'm dumb. Yeah. Also, I like my NDs on export for non-node projects because then all I need to do is to source.env and voila, all database is started here. Next, where's my terminal? Here's my terminal. So let's bring it back here. Let's do a start on database. Then it again. Let's copy this Postgres command. Sure, call DB now. No, you want patching it. Oh, sheet. Okay. That's fine. Not a big deal. Cool. Environment, that is fine. Yep. Fixed. Let's call it database. Next, what we're going to do is, yeah, see, that's all. That's all. And I'm going to instantly call it. The reason this will work correctly is because whenever you import a module or file, it just runs the file first, which is very weird. That's why you're not supposed to do this stuff. It's background. But again, I'm an L1, I'm a fresher software engineer. I don't really do that much, so I just do this. Bad, but it works. Yeah, I will put this in the end. What is about minutes? Reformats file. Really, that's what you want to comment about. I'll change that. Okay, so email, it's going to be a cat field. I don't care about the max length. Import cat field and updated at. Now, there has to be an automatic updated. Actually, I wanted to create that, so it will be updated. And what I'm going to do is pv auto create that. There has to be a way. There has to be a way. Let's find it. Create that field, one way. Okay, yeah, see? There has to be a way. If it's a will, there's a way. It's not relevant at all, but sure. Let's import by let's import stuff. Okay. How have they imported data feed? Data. Actually, I just data now. I would prefer UTC, so let's see if it works. Does it work? I cannot find the data in data. Okay, let's do a only if I could type, man. Only if I could type. Yeah, it did not right now. Perfect. I don't think I need to do anything else for the module. Did not. Yeah. Next, what I'm gonna do is create a idea quality model. Let's call it email, and in that case, this one's email. This takes a email is the type of string again only type of type, and all I need to do is let's call it input mail because I cannot come up with a better. That's it. Simple. And do I need something else? We create querying. Why am I going into querying? But sure, user.create. Email.objects.create. Why? Do email.create. Perfect. It returns an email object. I don't need that. I don't need any of this. Oh, there needs to be an ID. Yeah. Yeah, I can be autofield. I don't mind. Autofield trying to be true. Let's import this from PV and we are good to go. Let's start this inside like that. Let's try to do some error handling. And actually, I would prefer more if it just throws the error. But no, let it throw the error. I would like to prevent it. I don't have a logging library setup yet. I would love to set up Sentry, so we'll do that later. And we'll do next is just raise exception. Okay. It's gonna complain, we're ignoring wallpapers. Ignore as well, yeah, sure, ignore it. Cache should be good. Now so in here, let's go from database, import, create email, and yeah, one more thing I need to do is do this because then I can do database dot create tables and then create the email table. Perfect. What I need to do next is shit. Let's do a quick format. Really, yeah, perfect. So in here. Now what I'm planning to do is I would really like if I get yeah, yep. I'm gonna go for query parents. I don't want to post request. Query get, and what I'm gonna do is request dot get email, request dot args. It is yes dot get email. Perfect. If email is none, email is equal to empty. Just do a return response. It's import response, and I don't remember the format. I think. Yeah. Okay. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just modify this. Actually, I'll just look up response object class. Oh, just to be clear, I'm just vibing to my own beatboxing. I don't really have anything playing in the background because I can't really be recording and listening to music and doing this all at the same time. Uh, hmm, I don't really want to do this. I want to send a proper response, like a response type. Okay. Let's just do that then. I'm gonna import status and try to do it the right way. Wow. What the fuck do I do? Status and go to yeah. Really, you do that to me? Autocomplete not gonna work. Really, Macha. Really, I hate you. You know what? I don't care. 400. Next step is I'm gonna do a try. I'm gonna do database dot create email. Oh, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna keep it start here. In a more ideal world, if I was making something which was gonna be much more bigger, I would probably, have made. Sorry, where was I? Yeah, I would probably had imported database and done database.create email. But then this is a very very small project, like a very small service, and the database, you know, package only has one usable method that we actually want to export. So this should be fine. Yeah, I'm doing right. Should be fine. What I'm gonna do is error comma 503 because the service did not do what it had to do. Now let's do a. I'm sorry, I turned around. I thought someone was there. Let's do a return email. Thank you for supporting us. Sure, why not? Your project, really, dude. Come on, I won't be making this for someone else. Duh. Let's do 200. Okay, so this should be fine. I don't know why this went off. Let's just do it again. And let's do a source env and let's run Python with py. Yes. Okay, there needs to be an execute. Really, Macha? The dog said something else, Macha. Let's give it up. Oh, okay. I should have read the whole thing. Meh, happens. We'll let you learn. But okay, can I do a save? Oh, I can do this. Okay, but why did it go there? I did not even send a request. Why did it reach create mail? Huh. Hmm. Hmm. Oh, okay. Cool. I did not know Python did that. That is a great feature. Query must be bound to database in order. Interface error. Query must be bound to database in order to call execute. Not calling execute. There has to be database. This is the email create and blah blah blah. Oh, blame. Okay. Okay. I don't. Okay. Let's not call create here. Let's take it as email before. Let's do an email about this. Surely this should work. Oh no. Must be bound to a database. Oh, fuck. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yep. Yep. I think I need to do with D. Yeah, see, I need to do this. I need to do this. db.atomic. How could I forget this? I sound so lame. Why the hell am I doing this? Oh, don't get me autocomplete. Please don't. Also, you know what? I would actually go ahead and not do this and would like to call in it on my own. Let's import in it. Probably be a bad idea, but let's just call. Actually, yeah, I don't need to do that. I can just call in it here. Yep, yep, that should be fine. Yep, and yep, this should work. Hopefully. Nope. Email is connected to this database. Why are you not working? You know what? Time to look up my old code. Okay. Well, I could have done this, and I could have. Yeah, let's just do that. Where am I doing create table? Where am I doing create table? I'll do the create code. Oh, I do it here. Okay. Yeah, that should work. That should be fine. With right, with yeah, with database. Oh wow. Do this, and well, then the email goes up. Let's just reformat the file. Shit, I reformat it and then I fuck it up. Yeah. Okay. What's next? Will you like to work now? No. Postgres. Yeah. Yep. Query Postgres. I've not installed. I need to install the driver. Yes. See, I'm too smart. Shit. No, it did not work. Relation email does not exist. Why the fuck are you creating a relation, bro? Why? Why? What? What? Sure. Um, I did not create the table, and I do not want it to create a table. I need to change the name. It should be called what should it be called? It should be called email list, or maybe mailing list. That makes more sense. Hmm. But that wouldn't change a thing. Huh. Huh. Why you do this to me, bro? Why you do this to me? I really thought this would have gone better. Like, I mean, it's so simple. That's so difficult. No one ever said that. Okay, where is this happening? Mm, Wait, shouldn't it be failing right here? Well, it's happening at line number 19, which is create tables mail list. Broski, why are you looking? Why from what? What are you trying to do? I need to print this. I need to print this. Let's do a. I think this works. I think it's a thing. No, this will for itself. So why do I keep writing catch? Except exception as E, and then just print the goddamn exception for me, huh? Ah, okay. It printed. It still didn't print the whole thing, and this makes sense. That's on a fly catch now, so that just passes and goes down there. Bro, why, bro? Why you gotta be like this? Why you gotta be like this? No, it's not. That's not the lyrics. What are the lyrics? I need to know. Why you gotta be so rude? Wanna marry her anyway? Marry that girl. Marry her anyway. Anyway, sorry, sidetracked. What query is it trying to run? It's doing a select. Why are you doing a select, my friend? Hmm. Technical difficulties. Really sorry for it. This technical difficulty is called an annoying roommate. Not really, he's a great friend. Anyways, moving on. We finally have our server running, and if I click on this, this should give me a 400, hopefully. Yay! Now let's go back to our postman. The fuck? Where's postman? Where is postman? Let's create a new service, create a new folder. Yes. Let's call this folder, what do we call this? Mail Mailing list. Sure. Ah, I really wish I had some creativity to come up with good names. Like, what the fuck is Kanban and Page and like, blah. Anyways, let's create a GET request. This will be called add user to mailing list. Okay, again, the reason I'm creating a folder and adding these things is because I plan on using this microservice as another one of the microservices and, add endpoints like send mails and stuff so that, so like down the line, my plan is to change this to have something like a field called what I think it's running in debug, so I should probably this, yeah. So, have a field like um, 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 subscribe and have values like, notifications, like semicolon mentions and things like that. So it's basically semicolon separated, what do you call? Yeah, semicolon separated keys so that I'll just filter for this and I'll send off message like let's say I as the admin want to send a promotional email to a lot of the users saying ki, hi, our application is launched. Hi, new update. Hi, Black Friday sale. So I should be able to do this. So it will be like notifications, promotions, and things like that. Not mentioned. The mentioned in part, that would be a different service because this I want it to be a generic service. Like people who are not even our customers, even they should be able to receive mails using this. But then people who are our customers will be on a different mailing thread because things like minor fixes and bug fixes and maintenance time and stuff, that need not go to all the people who are interested. That only needs to go to people who are, you know, actually paying and our maintenance downtime or an update or a bug fix or a security patch would actually affect them and not these guys. And now that I think of it, I would like to create a default value. So I would create something called permissions or subscribe and add a default value. Again, it's going to be actually I'll make it car field should be enough. 225 bit should be fine, and add a default value of promotions and updates and features. So these three topics actually will be topic. Yeah, these three topics, these guys should be able to receive mails too. So what I can when I create my admin, dashboard or a place where I can send mails. So I should be able to send promotional mails and stuff. I should be able to click one button and everyone with the key promotion or updates or something can receive the mails. And there'll be an unsubscribe page will have these three and they can unsubscribe to specific things or unsubscribe completely. So yeah, that I want to do. And yeah, I will create an unsubscribe method as well, but then those are far-fetched. As of right now, I just want to send mails. And I don't think shit, my mails as well. Yeah, I don't think I designed an unsubscribe button. Yeah, I did. I will have to change my mail template for that. But okay, as of right now, I'm just playing around and creating the service, and I'll not be connecting it to my actual whatever it's called, my actual web page, hopefully. So yeah, let's just have this for now. And cool. Let's run the service again and let's try now to create a user. Postman, here you are. So HTTP // localhost 3000 and send a query parameter called email and send the mail to harish.sharma8@gmail.com. Yes. And let's send a mail. Did not get a response, did not get an error either. Did something happen? Did not. What? Oh, okay. It's running on 5000. My bad. Sorry. Flask 5000. Yes. Let's send. Okay. I got a 2403. Forbidden. What? 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 What the fuck? Eh? Um. Uh. Um. eh, I'm confused. Localist 5000. Oh, could be because I didn't add a route at all. Pro 3 forbidden. I'm not even. It's not even getting the request. What? Don't tell me it's because of this. If this works, I will be weirded out. Ah, but it worked. 503. Errored out. It worked. And was there a. Wow, create email failed, but I didn't really complain about anything. Hi, create email. Oh yeah, I'm raising. Oh, but I am. Oh, debug. I think I need to run a debug. I should have done that. Also, beekeeper, where are you? Reload. You should have a new table. Yes, you do have a new table. Do you have entries? No, but now you should. Send. Still errors. Nothing. No printouts either. Yeah, yeah, yes. Um. Okay, I think it's not even entering here. It's just failing at atomic. So let's try and print the message. Restarted. Postman. Oh shit! I have a lot of things open. I can't close Obsidian. Let's do that. How is my PC performing? Hello there. Activity monitor. Are you gonna bail on me? Oh no, you're not gonna bail on me. My CPU is 14%. Not bad. Memory 13 out of 16. Hmm. Eh, I can keep it running. Yeah, 7.3. Okay, yeah. Send. Show me the error. Programming error. There's no attribute message. What? Oh, I'm- I should not have done that. Yeah, please tell me. Insert topics and does not. Oh, okay. Is that topics of relation? Bro, what the fuck? Oh, bro, I know why that happened. Oh, I do. Drop, brother. Drop it all. Yes, brother. Close. Should create a new table. Very fresh. And now it has topics. So it should work. Yes. I can remove this. I can just keep this print now. I don't need this print anymore. Let's make it underscore. Deformat, sure, why not? And let's check this out. Refresh. I have good. This is what I need. I have 80 cents and yeah, this should be fine. Okay, off to our readme. Create. Okay, I thought that would work. The both X now much as are working. This is also a done deal. Let's figure out compiling. So let's create a new pack with a not expect pack. Py package. Let's go fancy and let's call it email renderer. Arey yaar. Renderer. Fancy. Okay, now the email renderer is gonna have a single function called def. Sure, add space to function name. That will work, it is. It will have a vals, which will be of a type picked. I don't want to do types here. And this will just return me a string. And it needs a name. Actually, name should come first. Name would be of type string. Add this. That's all the things I need. This will return string. Compiles. String template and adds values to the template from the input variable. Dict. Dictionary. Dick sounds like dick. Hey, hey, I'm funny. Template name. Dictionary of values. Do not want to handle types in Python. I hate typings and annotations. Yeah, why not? Let's. Okay, returns compiled HTML template. Perfect. So first we just do a empty string with open name as read as f template equal f dot read. Yes. Yes. Okay. Next step. Next step. Ginger documentation. Do I really want Jinja though? I am thinking, I could just replace the box brackets with the stuff inside it and call it a day. Ninja would probably be faster. It's just um, GitHub um, profile. Oh, by the way, this is my GitHub profile. Go follow me. Anyway, you don't have to. Sapphire. Sapphire? No, no, not Sapphire. I made my own thing for this. LowDB? No. Where had I had done this compiling part somewhere in one of my projects. Um, okay, okay. I don't know. I'll just go through the docs. By the way, Sapphire is my sad attempt to make a templating engine. I was trying to make it in Python. I know I'm dumb. It's hyper slow and it's I don't think it's even complete. I don't think it's complete. Um, engine in it. Yeah, I wrote a lot of code. I wrote a lot of code. Yeah, but I don't think it's complete. It's parse loops, parse replace loop. What? Um, what? Parse loops? I parse loops after I play. Oh, okay, it's called inside here. It's fine. I have replaced loops, I have replaced conditionals, and I have replaced variables. I call loops, conditionals, and variables, and replace them with this. Yeah, not bad, should work. I mean, I think it would work. I'm not so sure. I don't remember the syntax. Syntax should be in README. Is it? Oh wow, no. Um, cool. Yeah, anyways, let's just go back to yeah. Generate environment, generate from string this, template dot render. Ah, it's quite simple. Okay, let's try. Environment needs nothing. Okay. Render equal to actually I'll just I can just return env dot yeah v dot from string and no wait no yeah this is I can't return this. What is it? Template dot render. Okay. Ah, effect type. Yeah, that should work. Hopefully. I know. If I'm not sure, add a new line. Okay, let's go for step two. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna comment this out for now because I don't want to, and I can add. Yeah, let's add. Let's create a dictionary, and the dictionary is going to be email colon email. That's all I want, and rest equal to yeah, I thought so. I forgot the name. Very good. Shit. Compile mail. Okay. No. Um. Okay. What is called email list.html and dictionary. I figured out the problem. This static slash mails slash this should probably work. And instead of returning this string, I'm going to return the response for now. Terminal should have restarted. Let's try it out. I just sent an HTML. Let's review it. Very good. It would not have replaced anything. Yeah. So, okay. Let's go to the email. Perfect. Should work. Perfect. Um, yeah. Start. Send. It should be restart Sharma 8. Perfect, broski. Okay. I can do this now. Uncomment this. Unique. Peel. Miles and wheels. Too much work, dude. I thought it would be simpler, but it's way too much work. Yeah, take me to the wrong place, please. That's what I wanted. Unique true. Okay, so let's go into the models. Let's go into yep, unique true. Perfect. DODB drop. Yes, please. Restart, bro. Restarted. Perfect. Refresh. Table is there. Let's send a request. Send. Refresh. And you have this. Send. Refresh. Perfect. Perfecto. Sent an error, which should be fine. Let's do another expect. Uh, hmm, hmm, did not print the type. Um, Unique. Mm, is there a only if I could type, my work would be so much better if I could type. There's no period errors. Let's search for PV unique error. Unique constant fail. Give me an output. Integrity error. Okay. Mm, Also, it's integrity error. Integrity error. Yeah, it's integrity error. Okay. Expect integrity error as unique. You know what? As this, and just I don't think I need to do continue. I can just do a pass that should work. Do this. Let's go back to Postman. Root Postman. Stay here so I can find you. Yeah. Send. Yep, it works. It works. What I'll actually do is instead of doing this shit, I'll do a pass a bool, and I'll instead of pass, I'll return it true. I'm anyways raising, so I don't need to handle anything here. This also returns true. App. No. This will be false. What I'm gonna do is out just return already exists and just do a 200 because it is a 200. Still a 200, so that should be fine. This should be the correct way to do it. Let's run you again. Yes, it works. Okay, that should be fine. Already, I should have gotten already exist here. Oh, it's in what? No, that's not what you're supposed to do. Oh, if not, what the hell is wrong with me? If not, bro. If it's not, then don't send the mail, bro. Yes, bro. Good job. Okay, that handles that. I've got this. Let's add a new Python package. We'll call it mailing. And the init will have a def send mail templates, comma, only for type template, comma, plain text, comma, mail. It's going to be a string. This will be the past. Will be a string, and this will also be a string. This will return nothing. I don't really want a response back. Let's add some docs. Technical difficulty part 2. The technical difficulty is now gone. Well, by technical difficulty, I again mean my annoying roommate. Nah, he's not that annoying. It's just my bad that I'm shooting when there's a house party going on in my living room. Yes. So takes compiled template and plain text to send a freaking mail. I will not write freaking here. Ah, I really need to learn how to type, bro. Like for real. Yes. Why are you complaining? Possible typo. You repeated the word. Email, bro. I can't repeat email. Possible typo. You repeated a word. Correct. This is just a. Dude, I didn't. I did not. Oh, okay. This whole thing is a string and it's taking mail, email, and that's what I think. Returns. I don't think it returns anything as of right now. So now here's the problem. I really haven't decided what I want to do. I have. Let's go back to README. This is done. Ah, I have multiple options on how to do this. How am I typing this? So like one way would be using resend. And let's look at the pricing. Let's go. Yep, here you are. It should be a numbered list. Not this. Yeah. Using recent. Yeah. But the pricing. Huh. Oh, wait. It is up to 3,000 emails per month, 100 emails a day, which is free. I don't expect on hitting this number anytime soon. One domain, that is fine. 1 day retention. 1 day retention. I don't really care about this. Email protection, yep. Multiple region, I don't care. Since I don't care. Dedicated IPs, I don't care. Hmm. Okay. Simple notification service. Is it SES? Simple, yeah, it's SES, not SMS. Okay. Gmail API, Gmail API overview. Authentication create and send mail, yes. Mails. I've done this before. I've used Gmail, like, sorry, Gmail API to send mails before, and it works flawlessly. I mean, of course. But I want to do this. What is the pricing? Where is pricing? It's free. What? But a certain day. What? What? Okay, it is tempting now. And what is SES? SES. Show me your pricing. Okay. Okay. It's gonna cost me 3 cents per mail. 3 cents per like. Let's compare it to 3 cent. Okay, so it's gonna cost me 3 cents on AWS. It is gonna cost me usage limits and quota units per second moving average. Okay, where's draft.send? I want email.send. Or maybe a message.send. There is no there is a message.send. It's 100 quotas and 250 quota units per second. So if by chance I end up sending 3 mails within a second, it's gonna cost me. Um, it's not gonna cost me. It's just gonna give me a two 294 429. It's gonna give me 429. 429, right? No, too many requests. No. Wait. 492? What's rate limit? How did I forget this? Rate limit. Rate is code. 429. Yes. What did I search for? What? Oh, okay. Yeah. In a way, too many requests is actually rate limiting. So makes sense. Makes sense. I'm very tempted to go with this. It's very good pricing. Okay. So, okay. Hmm. More than 3 mails per second equal 429. And AWS SES. I should add links for these. Ah, shit. Okay. The thing is, there has to be some rate limiting with recent as well. That would have been a very, very loud thump. But if I don't know how to fix this. I'm really sorry, guys. I hit my mic. Really sorry. But yeah, let's go. Recent. What are the rate limits? There has to be rate limits. Question: do you offer any discounts? Payments you accept? Is there free trial available? There should be no, but you try to sell for a plan. Limits. All programs with unlimited domains on. Okay, well, this is a good thing. Resend will notify me and give an option and then roll back to normal, I guess. That's what it sounds like. Okay. Figure out what resend rate limit is. 10 requests per second. That is that is a very, very reasonable rate limit. Yeah, that's reasonable. Okay. Okay. I think I'm gonna go with resend for now. Let's look at their docs. What does the doc say? Python. They have an SDK, that's great. Simple to set up, just one API key, amazing. I'm talking to you, AWS and Gmail. It can be simple. It really can be simple. I mean, Gmail it still makes sense. It's just it connects to your account and then takes scopes and does proper OAuth. But Amazon is just weird. Like I have a lot of problems with Amazon the way Amazon works. But then they're amazing, so I don't know. This is very simple. I don't even have to make a MIME message. There is HTML. How do you attach plain text to it? That is okay. This class. I do wanna know how do I add plain text to it because I would preferably like to make a MIME message and send um, a message with both HTML and plain text because a lot of people don't really look at plain text. And I would also like to add tracking, but then that's a whole different issue. I can add tracking, but do I want to? They have SMTP. Okay, wait. This might be interest SMTP. Yes. They have a host, a username, and then your API key, and I should be able to make a MIME message and send. Yes, please. Please. Let's look at the Django example. Activate requirements of txt. This message is just this. No, I want to send a MIME message. Okay, no, I'm just overcomplicating it. It has to be a simple way to do it. Cool. Let's just Google. Please send plain text. Um. mm, mm, mm. Okay, prompt to subject BCC. I don't care about that. CC. I don't care about reply to. I don't care. HTML text. Text. There is a text. Yeah. 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 Cool. It should work. I can just use resend then. Dump. Resend. Using resend. Great pricing. But the thing with resend is, I'm okay with using it right now, but I would really not be okay with using it for the whole mailing service. Hmm. Mhm. Okay, I can reroute it. I mean, I can do resend for now and like change to AWS if I want to later. Because resend really doesn't have a lot of code. I mean, very honestly, has like no baggage. Yeah, seems fair. I'm gonna go with resend. Let's do it. Let's do this. No, that's not what I wanted. Let's open resend. Resend. Let's take it here so that I don't leak my. What was I gonna say? Yeah, so that I don't leak my secrets, which I'm pretty sure I will end up doing, but let's see. Only if I put type import resend um no wait, I need to go to line 2 resend dot API key. I mean, I don't think this is really the best way of doing it. Like, actually, I want to know how they made this API. How is it like I can do directly resend dot doing a resend API is import? Okay. It is taking this. I don't really need to do this. Okay, it reads the environment key. Recent API key, that's what I named it. Hmm. Hmm. Okay, I would not have made it this way, like very honestly. Like you can directly set up, directly do this. It has to be that. It cannot be the right way of doing it. I mean, why would you? Hmm. Hmm. I'm not so sure. These guys will definitely be, these guys are definitely better, you know, uh, yeah. Anyways, these guys have to be better software developers than me. So I'm pretty sure this is the reason why they're not making any object. And yeah, okay, let me first explain why I think this is a bad idea. Because resend directly takes a .api key and has a lot of things directly in here, which is fine. I mean, which is not fine. Like, so import recent basically gives you an object because that's what's happening. Like, what if? Okay, what if I have two recent accounts, right? And like for some reason, hmm, it really doesn't make sense. Actually, it's right because if you look at the docs, resend lets you do, resend is letting you send from over here, so that should be fine. And yeah, yeah, it's fine. It's actually fine. So the HTML is going to be the template, and the text is going to be plain text, and two will be email, email ID. From, I need to figure out how that works. It's just to send a mail and overview. How do I remove this? I want to bring the homepage up, but then they have. Okay, technical difficulty part 3. Yeah, now he's annoying. He is annoying. Anyways, moving forward. So, overview, this is so, okay. Yeah, okay. Now let me bring up my recent dashboard here. Where are you? Yep. Total emails, this emails, I sent one. Let's check out. I will move it here. It didn't really be showing that. I did not get an email. That is weird. I did send an email to this. What happened here? It did say it is saying sent. This is successful and recent will attempt to. What? Okay. Session sending email, plain text, source, fine. I did not get that mail though. Did it go into my spam? Because if it goes into my spam, then it makes no sense for me to use resend because one of the main. Okay, this is funny. I have 69 spam. Anyway, it didn't even reach my spam. So I am not sure what happened here. But let's figure it out. Let's go to domains. What is domains? Send emails from an email address you request to verify. Okay, let's add. The domain is going to be my domain for now. Okay. I need to add these records, MX, TX, and TX. Once you're done, I will do verify. Okay. Configuration, click tracking to track clicks. Listen, modify Gmail link, turn this and body, and simple open the link. They are in server and immediately register. No, I don't want tracking like this. I want open tracking. I want the yes, this makes sense. Why is not recommended? It is not accurate. That is true. It is not accurate because like this is how I was doing tracking in one of my projects. So yeah, like I said, I worked with Gmail API and I worked with Gmail API in a college project. Like it was my first project to reach, but then I ended up putting it back in college project. But I went to like it was a project. I was into a lot of that. I'm mostly happy with that. I still love you. Not to you three things like the setup and the possible the whole new API. I don't like this. I haven't really put in a framework and I don't really know much about it. I've learned it so that's why I don't know. But you do these things. Like, it's great how you can see such amazing performance. It's such a good code. Everything's active. That's not everything. Everything need not be active, but it was made life easier. So yeah, tracker it is yeah. Two routes and I should have a tracker. It should remain yeah. This is just an image. And then this yeah, so basically have you hit this point, which was let's say gmail.com slash something ready slash something. It would go and track that open rates, but it's not accurate. I must open email prior to delivering in order to scan for okay, makes sense, makes sense. I'll still turn it on. I don't care about it. I'll turn it on. I need to add all of this into my DNS. Um, okay, let's do that. Um, yeah, one sec. I'll just log in. Start with loading your dashboard. By the way, this is not beer. This is coffee because as you can see, it's 2:30 of the night. So yeah, let's add my DNS records. Come back here. Add record. It has to be of type MX and it's a send. Okay. Yep, MX send. And then this. Oh, they just use Amazon SES in the background. I mean, I'm not really surprised. All of these new services are basically wrappers around AWS. Vercel is a huge wrapper around AWS. So is Resend. And I think even Railway and Upstash and all are just wrappers around AWS. I don't think any of them have their own servers. But yeah, they make life. So see again, like if Amazon had their shit started out and they had like, APIs simple, so that for the simpler things like this, people don't have to mess around a lot and keep it like we say, yes, keep it simple. If it were that way, it would have been amazing. Also, I got the mail now. It took so long for this mail to come. I know you can't really see that in the small screen now, but yeah, the mail came now. Anyways, okay. Send with this value. This feedback. Okay. The priority needs to be 10, so it makes sense. This is our description. Please send added. Save. Also, I didn't really look at recent pricing after. I should have done that. Okay. I should have looked at the recent, pricing for the pros as well. Because like railway, like I was considering railway and render. Railway street tier is good, not great, but good. And yeah, recent thing is good, not great. It's good. But the pro was bad. Like the pro was very expensive, so I didn't really like it. Actually, I ended up going with railway, because railway has really good pricing. So if I go to railway app right now and I look at the pricing, come on, do you really have to be here? Yeah, so like the hobby is $5 a month and it gives you quite a few things. Like the free, first of all, they have a free plan, and that free does not even require you to log in. So if I do this and go to Railgun Incognito, I can literally just start a new project and host a server. And see, I'm not logged in. It doesn't even want me to log in. It just gave me a Postgres server. So that is amazing in my end because let's say I'm just building something. Like I just want to test something out. I need a Postgres server for that. I generally prefer localhost because it's just faster and it's less hassle. But then if I didn't want to do that, I could just done this, and this is great. So yeah, and the pricing is also great. Like for $5 a month plus resource users, I get a lot of things like 7-day log history. Not doesn't really matter, but 8 GB of RAM and 8 vCPU per services is amazing. I don't need that at all. 8 vCPUs per service. You know how small these services are. I don't need this at all. It has monorepo support and a lot of cool things. It does get a little expensive, but then if I ever get to this point, I'll just have my own AWS thing set up. One of my cousins is actually trying to help me out with this project, so this SaaS product. So he will be handling all the AWS. But yeah, the pricing is amazing. Let's look at recent pricing voters. Their paid plan, um, shit, it's expensive. It's expensive. It's very expensive. It is very expensive. This was not a great idea because now that I had my own, is it a delete? Ah, cool. Then it's fine. Then this should be fine. Uh, okay, I can handle this for now. Like the thing, what I was thinking was like I have my own domain right now. Like everything on Reach is running on my base domain, okaySharma.com. It's been running on this domain for now. So even like the landing page is on my domain. But then later on I want to move it to a better domain, which would probably be like reach.com or something like that if I can find something relevant. So that time it would be a problem on my domains. But then I can delete a domain, so it should be fine. Let's go. Let's add the last record. What do you want me to add? Resend dot underscore domain key. Okay. Let's just copy this to be safe. I am pretty sure I leaked a few things out here. I should not have put them, but meh. What do you want to do? I already have. Oh shit, I leaked a lot of things, bro. It's fine. I will blur everything during editing. Lol, editor. I have no clue I did that. But yeah, let's verify. Pending, sure. No worries. The thing is, I am not good at docs. How do I send? Your domain details, let's say I have added a DL domain, then how do I send mails from it? Because I don't have the email set up on the domain. Video, open clip tracking is fine. I don't know what the fuck these are, Cloudflare. The account, add domain, login to Cloudflare, add MX record, add a SPF. Did I do that? Okay, add a text record, okay. Um, the thing is, once my domain is verified, how do I send mails using it? For example, so then in all of the example, oh, there's a React email thing. I don't need this. The React email thing they already have. I have a @erasure domain. I do. I mean, I have a erasure.com domain. But come on, really, zip it effort. Okay, cool. For now, I'll just send emails using this. What can happen? Change it later. Let it be. This should be fine. Now my concern is going here. This will also have the. This is true. I'll change this to email. Then I'll just do a replace all and then pass it that way. Yeah, let's just do that. Compile email and then just do what? Then come on, auto info. Come on. Yes, and I can pass the rest. Should call it. Then let's text slash email list dot php slash read as f plain text equals f dot read dot replace. No. I want this email. Pass this plain text. Let's pass email. I don't need rest. Thank you for supporting Reach. Perfect. What I'm gonna do is, even though I'm using the onboarding email for this, I do want my name to show up. So this will be Team Reach. Yes. Okay. Okay. Now the question. Now the question is, will it work? What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna delete this record. Go in here and run this again. File not found. File. It did not find. Yeah, I am dumb. I am dumb. I am so dumb. Sorry, yaar. Dude, what? Wow. Okay. That is good. Uh, why was this text? Why was this text? Why was it TXT? TXT, macha. Cute. Let's go. 200. Okay. Um. Yeah. No. It would not have worked. It won't send me a mail because this record was already existing. Validation error. API key is invalid. Ah, hmm. Done. Sorry, guys. Yeah, my API key wasn't invalid. The problem was I had to source it again. It should work now. Okay, I hate this part. I can comment it out though. Yeah, if it doesn't work this time, I'll just comment it out. Hmm. Okay. I got the mail. Okay, and this is verified. Valid and valid registration. Start building and setting emails with the Oh, again, example.com. Oh, no, this is no. Retrieve domain, verify domain, list domains, delete. No, it's not what I want to do. Put emails, should have sent another one. Yes. Hello world. Okay, the subject was hello world. But did I get the data? Oh, yes, yes. Need to type. Oh, Nana. That's my name. Oh, Nana. Kind of sort of worked. It's not that bad. How can I fix it? Yeah. Can I make this big? Can I make myself big? Oh, it is locked. Unlock it. I can make myself big. Yay. But I made it big not so that you guys can see this. I get the mail. The template mostly works, but the SVG didn't show up. That is one problem. But I'm able to send mails. That's a good thing. Let's bring myself here. Let's lock myself in. And there's one problem. There is still one big problem. Still goes from this. Actually, wait. It does show up team reach. That is good. Uh, Design is good. Let's done this. Okay, that's fine. Add-ons I don't care about. I don't care about all this. The integrations, server integrations. Ah, that's nice. I have one problem though. I'm still using this. How do I use? Okay, Cloudflare domain, add email address. Down to Cloudflare open email routing, create address and custom address. Addresses. Domain. Set up. Okay. Okay. Let's try it out. Hmm. Address. Custom address. Create a custom address. Cloudflare email routing. Let's go to Cloudflare. Yeah. Domain registration. Go to there. Sites. Yep. Email. Email routing. Get started. Me. Destination. Okay. Yes. Email. Routes all emails from the customer address to the destination and routes all emails from the customer to worker. Okay. This is for receiving. Mm, okay. I am confused. Okay. If so that means if this has been done properly, is destination total received. If this has been working properly, excuse me, excuse me, then if I send this email, I do this and I send resend, you can only send emails to your own email address. Testing, how do you know it's testing email? What? Wait, what? What? Why? What? No. What? Okay, do sound like an idiot right now, but one sec. This is weird. What? Mm, mm, mm. Resend.com. Resend cannot send mail to other emails. Yeah, I should add resend.com to this. Mm, huh, excuse me. It's bad. Kind of sleepy. Let's 7:03 in the morning. I am actually sleepy, but I will figure it out. So I said 5:10. Send a bit of don't really want that. Mm, mm, sure, take it up. Honest scaling, add a hand for rate limiter. Dependency dashboard, create example, don't care about that. Send batch, clear up, ping request, implement new domain API, send email arguments, implement tag attribute, implement charments, they really haven't worked on this a lot. How many comments do they have? 36. Really? Oh. Mm, hmm. I am confused. Oh, Nana. What's her name? Oh, Nana. What's her name? This is weird. Why can't I do this? Like, I'm not really doing anything wrong. Am I doing something wrong? Explore. Please send mails to. What's that? Yeah, I don't think it's gonna respond to anything, but okay. You know what? I generally do this. Will stop the ChatGPT. In this guy answer. Resend. What the fuck am I typing? Recent.com complains about sending emails to others. What should I do? ChatGPT is gonna kill me for the questions I ask. Read on services, check it. Arey yaar, ye pita, what the hell? Um, okay, wait. I'm just gonna use my phone to send a mail. Okay, so I did this to check if Cloudflare rerouting works. I sent a mail to basically I sent a mail to what do you call me at irration.com. But let's see if it gets rerouted. Yeah, it did get rerouted. Okay, it said address not found. Cloudflare, what are you doing to me, bro? Okay, wait. This could be because I am using onboarding. Try try doing this. So, let's go in here, refresh, delete row, delete. Actually, delete row this as well. I would like to. Array, I didn't want to update, yaar. Like this bad. Okay, where did we do that? This one. What? This worked? Okay, I did get a mail. Team reach, hello world. And the mail came from me at irration.com. Perfect. Perfect. Perfecto. I don't care. If this works, it works. Great. I think I should do the mail. Nah, trust me, it worked. Refresh, I should say 3 emails. Wait, what happened recent? Loading. Slow, pretty slow. Had me very fast. Delivered, opened. Oh, okay, yeah, open tracking happened later. So email. Perfect. What I also want to test is next is like to test. No, do I have a dummy email address? Do I have an email address logged in the range? Show here. I have reach. Well, okay. What is the email ID? Reach.io.primary.gmail.com. Sure, why not? Send. Oh, it worked. Oh, it worked. Perfect. Perfect. This is amazing. And this should be open. Yeah, perfecto. Great. Domains. And what was the other one tracking? Click tracking. Okay, each link in the body of HTML. Then this will open the link, the recent server, and then take. I don't want this. I'm not really adding any links, so should be fine. Great, yeah, great, perfect. It works. I mean, what does I say? This works. That's great. I expect it to work so easily. Send, delivered, opened. Perfect, yeah. Cool. In that case, our small KPI is ready. Let's just add it here. Go back. Check this off. I'm gonna add handling here. I'm not really doing any kind of handling right now per se. I'm not doing anything with the mails except sending them a thank you for supporting us. But yeah, it should be fine because I haven't added services yet. I will add other endpoints later. One thing I'll do before I push it is change this hello world to hmm, great. Yeah, what the okay. From the TXT I have it. Perfect. Let's just do a git init. Let's go to GitHub, create a new repository, reach, mailing list, only if I could type, public, current create repository. Just copy the git remote add origin. Uh, fuck. Fuck, 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 fuck. Mm, it does not care about .env. Great, so my git remote works. If now let's also add an idea slash to it. Let's do a GST. Perfect. EGP. Okay. Git push origin hyphen s main. Post it on railway. Slash